Well, that was a cheeky wee McDonald's.
That was lovely.
Aye. Well, that filled a little hole.
That was actually lovely, believe it.
Came just at the right time, eh?
Aye. We've been in there a few times. Well, the weather's been absolutely brilliant today, isn't it?
Aye. You're breaking up with you got that visor open again?
I better.
Aye. Aye, the weather's been absolutely fantastic. We've done 200 miles today so far, and I've been averaging 73 miles to the gallon.
Oh, I'm nowhere near that.
73.1.
Averaging about 59 miles a gallon.
That's decent though.
That's decent.
And I've still got half a tank.
Have you?
Aye.
See, I never filled mine up.
Roof box melt. I'm the outdoor type.
Still 22 degrees.
I know,
7:30 at night. Fucking brilliant.
It's good, eh?
Aye, it's good. I wasn't expecting the weather to be like this today.
No, it was forecast tomorrow to be like this.
Yeah. Today it was kind of meant to be cloudy all day, but it's not getting cloudy.
Nah.
Well, it was cloudy up till what we got to Stirling.
Aye.
And it started to clear up there.
Yeah.
Did you like my corner skills back there?
Aye, you're getting better. Some of the corners can catch you off guard.
They can, aye. You just gotta have faith in your tyres on.
Faith in your tyres and faith in your bike.
It's more yourself. Because we could jump into any bike around the bends.
Aye. So, today has been our first run out with our two new CarPlay sat-nav thingy-mabobs.
I've got to say I'm pretty impressed with my chiggy.
I'm very impressed with this Oshi. Really impressed with it. It's a really, really good bit of kit, like. I just need to remember that it's got the rear view camera on it, which would have been handy for when I'm walking the bike back.
Does it actually store what you've done today?
Aye. Well, it will store the video footage. Yeah, I've upgraded the SD card in it because the card that comes with it's 64. I've upgraded the card to 128, but it will take up to 256 gigabytes. So
If you were ever in an accident or anything, you can show the...
Aye. Aye, I might buy a bigger card. I might get a 256 card for it. That way it'll store at least a whole day's worth of riding. Because this card will overwrite once it fills the memory card.
Right.
It just overwrites the oldest file.
Huge.
Aye. Aye, 5 to 8 at night, Alec, and we're still out. Aye, that definitely didn't seem long at all coming back, eh?
Aye.
Right, are you ready? Hello, Bridge.
Oh, hello, Bridge.
I've always got to say hello to that bridge.
I wonder how old it is.
I'll need to look it up. I'm going to do that. If I remember, I'll do it when I go home. See if it's got any significant history.
227 miles today.
I've done 229.3. Oh, hello.
When we're getting fuel.
Stand is down. Oh. Righty-ho. Fuel. Zero. This is 1 for a radio check.
Loud and clear.
Happy days. Try to get my glasses on.
Oh,
What a noise.
starting to fucking creak.
Aye. I've got my reversing camera on. I just need a reverse gear. Oh. Back on.
You know, I need Wi-Fi in the house to reset it.
Do you?
I need Wi-Fi in the house to reset it.
Bit strange, like I thought it would have worked with it.
I think when you're resetting it, what the fuck knows what I've done there? She's just left alone.
Aye, that's your trouble. You keep touching things.
I know.
You were a bloody nightmare when you first got that car though. Every week you broke it.
No, I didn't break it.
You did. Well, as always, that was a quick blast.
Was it?
Yes, a very quick blast.
Right, okay. Put my feet in.
I'll give you that
They
one.
were dangling.
Like, last time I seen legs dangling like that was hanging out a nest.
A stork.
Aye.
That's been a good day though, isn't it?
Aye. How many miles have I done so far? 254.
I've done 252.
Long wave radio, Atlantic 252.
Your lights are seriously fucking bright.
That's the whole idea. Be seen, be safe.
I would say it's working on. I think you'd get stopped up too bright.
Jink.
Right. You don't notice it during the day, but see right now.
Aye. The light up the road, like. But they're just, the beam's just under my standard beam, eh? Ugh.
Right, some of these cars are fucking bright.
I know. They were talking about that on the radio a few weeks ago, eh? Oh, my window, my glasses are steaming up.
Yeah.
A lot cooler now.
That is, eh? Time do you want to leave in the morning?
Well, we'll just do a short one in the morning.
Aye, want to leave at midday?
Aye.
Or you want to go about 11 and get back earlier?
I'm not bothered. We'll not go far anyway.
No, I couldn't do that again.
Aye.
My arse wouldn't handle it.
Rear view mirror coming up. Boom. There you go. That's quite good, that quality of camera. Right, Alec.
Right, I'll see you in the morning.
See you tomorrow.
Catch you later. Cheers,
Bye.
Bye.